So Elon posted a t-shirt on Twitter yesterday and it went viral, okay? And this is something that, you know, as a print-on-demand seller, a t-shirt designer, a person that loves to do research, when things come out like this, I get excited because it's crazy to see, you know, what people post and what people do on Twitter. And Twitter is like a gold rush, or any social media is a gold rush full of money if you pay attention to what people are doing and understand what they're doing, okay? So this is very important that you understand and kind of get the idea, and we'll go into detail and go over everything so you can have a better understanding. So let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna go into detail as best as possible for you right here in this video. So this is Elon Musk's Twitter account. He recently just purchased Twitter, by the way. So he posted this shirt November 7th, and you can see like the engagement it got, the retweets, the comments are crazy. Feedback is appreciated. Now pay $8, verified check mark. Okay. Now this right here it's crazy because it's just like, okay, he has so much power and he's so popular and he's done a lot, you know, just in the world, right? He has this much pull where he'll just post something and then just goes crazy, right? So as you can see right here, like, look at this, like over 600,000 people hearted, okay? Which is very, very interesting. Now, when you click on this, you're going to see people in here, you know, there's ideas in these comments, by the way. Okay. So like, this is a t-shirt idea, right? I paid $8 a month on Elon Musk. Okay. There's t-shirt ideas inside of these comments. This is a t-shirt idea, right? If we keep coming down, there's funny things that are being said inside the comments that can be ideas. So when you see this, something like this that happens, okay, I know I'm going to show you some more information, some more research in this video too. There's a lot that's going on right here with, okay. It doesn't have to be this, you know, this same exact text. You can kind of flip this around and turn it into something else, I'm thinking, okay? Just it's going to take a little bit of effort. Your feedback is appreciated. Now pay $8. And what he's talking about, I'm going to go into detail about that too. What he's talking about, it just basically, it explains it on the t-shirt, right? It's like talking about the blue check mark, and it just, you know, $8, now pay $8. There's like funny sayings around the blue check mark, or you just, when you want another thing too, as we're talking about this, be very careful about like what platform you put it on. Some people are saying, no, I'm not going to put it on Amazon merch. I'd rather put it on Etsy. I'd rather put it on Redbubble, or I'd rather put it on my own website just to be safe, right? And I see why, right? Because you don't want to be careful. You want to be careful for copyrights and IP infringing. You don't want to, you know, you don't want to use the Twitter logo. By all means, don't use the Twitter logo. You don't want to put, you know, the Twitter logo on a t-shirt, because that's one way to get in trouble. But change, look at this one, $8, check mark, change my mind. Okay. If you come over here, you say, why is Elon Musk trying to make people pay $8? If I type that into Google, it says Elon Musk is going to charge to use Twitter. It gives you some information. So Elon Musk plans to charge a monthly fee of $8 for Twitter users to verify their accounts. Has been met with a widespread resistance. Sorry. Okay, so you can see, if you Google that, it'll kind of give you more of an insight on that right now. Let's go and see what's going on these platforms and how it's doing. So if I come over here to merch research, I hit the search button and I filtered it by newest arrival, and I went down and just look and see what's going on. I was like, this shirt has to be on Amazon or merch already, because I know, right? And you can see everyone just copying the same thing over and over. And so this is going to be very hard to rank for something like this. And also too, I would look into that blue check mark. You want to be sure that's okay to use, because if you're copying, you know, like that same exact blue check mark from, you know, a brand or a logo, you'd be IP infringing, right? Or copyright. So you just want to be very, very, so look at, so something like this, your feedback is appreciated, now pay $8. See that right there? Right? And look, it has a BSR. Something like that right there is a little bit, you know, you may be able to get away with something like that. Okay. It's not like copying the actual design word for word and taking Twitter's blue check mark, right? Taking their blue check mark and putting it to a t-shirt. So that you get what I'm saying when it comes to that, you want to be careful with it. Now, if we go over here, I opened up one, you know, just to see, you know, and I did a merch research. I did this little highlighted it, merch research, hit show all merch, hit this, and then it brought me over here. Your feedback is appreciated, now pay. Okay. Anything with these keyword phrases inside of it is going to pop up, and it's going to filter it for us, right? And if you can see this 149 KBSR. So let's open up that one. That was the one that we just seen, right? Where you at? Right here. Okay. And this was uploaded yesterday. So the person that's seen this, right, they went in and uploaded it ASAP without using that Twitter blue check mark, that verification, right? So You see what they did? Now this is a little bit, you know, on the safer side. Okay, because like I said, taking that blue check mark that Twitter uses to verify an account and taking their, you know, their actual, one of their, like, I want to say like one of their branded logos for the brand and putting it onto a t-shirt is a very you kind of like going against the rules right there. Okay, so it's like you want to be careful with that. You don't want to be doing anything like that. Okay, so if we look at this, we can see that this one right here is a little bit more safe, and I can see, you know, something like this, and it's gonna crush. It looks like it's on its way. It's doing pretty good, and I'm not sure how long this t-shirt may last. Okay, but it's definitely a trend. And you can see exactly what Elon Musk did over here, right? You can see exactly what he did over here. And he ended in this person right here came over here on Amazon Merch and uploaded a shirt, and now it's making sales 149K BSR, and I can see it doing even better numbers throughout this whole week. Now let's come over here to Etsy. Feedback is appreciated. Now pay $8. See, when I come over here, look, you got people uploading it over here. You got it on a hat, you got it on t-shirts. Down, we got more t-shirts. Back is pretty $9. Interesting. $8, but it said $8. Just that I see that blue check. Careful with that. That's all. Got it on some stickers. It looks like they're even using Elon Musk's face over. They're going a little crazy over here. Yeah, you can see exactly what they're doing right now. Okay, so that's just an example. You see, you're just looking at other platforms and seeing how people are putting this actual design up and they're trying to get ahead of everyone else. Let's look at Redbubble. Your feedback is appreciated. Now pay $8. See 478 results. Similar design over there on Amazon. Pretty simple. You have it on stickers already, t-shirts, stickers. This is like a different check, very different. And you may be able to get away with that because of that's up to you, right? At the end of the day, it depends on the individual. Okay, understanding, you know, the rules and stuff like that, because it can be a little tricky, but for the most part, I feel like if you're not using the Twitter logo, you should be in the clear, unless he, you know, trademarks the phrase, but I doubt that he'll do that. But it's like with Donald Trump. Remember when Donald Trump was president, he was saying stuff all the time. People were on Twitter. Twitter's a gold mine for coming up with different, you know, design ideas. Okay, even with like Joe Biden, like if he says certain things and people, well, that's a gold mine. Okay, political stuff is a gold mine. I don't like to mess in the political niche too much, but if someone's very popular, says certain things, okay, it can be a potential design idea, t-shirt idea, especially if they mess up, or especially if it's just funny and it just goes viral. Like, for example, this quote right here that Elon Musk said, and you can see, you know, how crazy it's going. He barely said it yesterday, and it's on all these platforms. That's a sign, right? Now, with that being said, if you guys are getting any value out of this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. If you like videos like this, I will keep you updated with videos and trends on my channel. I've been doing it for the last few years now, and I've been helping people with print on demand and coming up with different ideas and different niche ideas to help grow their print on demand business. And if you want more research, check out this video right here next.